In this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit a PDF document online on your computer. The first thing you need to do is to head over to your browser and then type in canva.com/PDF editor. And when you have come to Canva, you need to sign up for an account if you don't have one from before. You can do that by using your Google account, and it's absolutely free. I will also leave a link down in the description for this PDF editor. And when you are here, you want to click Upload your PDF. And then you want to choose the PDF you want to edit. And it's inside this editor you can zoom in and out, so it's easier to edit it. And as you can see here, you can click on the text and you can edit it. And you can also delete sections. And you can also replace or add images. So this is a really easy way to edit your PDF documents online on your computer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.